Ever felt like your field service business is wrestling with a spreadsheet octopus instead of thriving? You know the drill. Juggling invoices, scheduling headaches, lost client details, all while trying to actually do the work. For many of us, Jobber has been the go-to, the familiar face in the chaotic world of service management software. Promises to streamline, to simplify, to bring order to the madness. And for a lot of businesses, it delivers. It's got robust scheduling, decent invoicing, and client management that's, well, manageable. But what if I told you there's a whole universe of alternatives out there? What if the software you're using, while good, might be holding you back from reaching your full potential? This isn't about tearing down Jobber. It's about exploring whether there's a better fit for your specific needs, a tool that could propel your business to new heights of efficiency and profitability. Because let's be honest, in today's competitive landscape, every edge counts. And sometimes that edge comes in the form of a perfectly tailored software solution. So, if you've ever wondered if the grass is greener on the other side of the field service software fence, you're in the right place. We're about to dive deep into the world of Jobber alternatives, uncovering the features that set them apart, the businesses they're best suited for, and ultimately, help you answer the crucial question. What app is truly better than Jobber for you? Let's kick things off with a major player that often comes up in these conversations. ServiceM8. If you're a smaller business or an independent contractor looking for something intuitive, fast, and feature-rich without breaking the bank, ServiceM8 is a strong contender. Its biggest strength lies in its mobile-first approach. Think about it. You're on the go, in the field, and you need to access everything at your fingertips. ServiceM8 excels here with its seamless mobile app, allowing for quick job creation, invoicing on-site, and real-time updates. What truly sets it apart from Jobber for many users is its highly visual scheduling board and impressive automation capabilities. Imagine sending out automated SMS reminders to clients or getting instant notifications when a job is completed. ServiceM8 is a wizard at making those often tedious tasks disappear. While Jobber has its own mobile app, many users find ServiceM8's to be more streamlined and user-friendly for field operations. However, if your business grows significantly and you need more complex reporting or advanced inventory management, you might find ServiceM8 a little less robust than Jobber. Next up, let's talk about Housecall Pro. This platform is a fantastic choice for a wide range of service businesses, particularly those in the home services industry like HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and cleaning. What makes Housecall Pro a serious challenger to Jobber? For starters, its strong emphasis on marketing and customer communication. Housecall Pro offers tools for email marketing, online booking widgets for your website, and even on-my-way texts with GPS tracking for your technicians. This level of customer engagement can be a game-changer for building trust and repeat business, areas where Jobber, while capable, doesn't always put as much focus. Their user interface is also incredibly clean and intuitive, making it easy for new users to get up and running quickly. Where Jobber might offer a broader set of features for slightly more complex business needs, Housecall Pro often wins on ease of use and its dedicated focus on improving the customer experience. However, if you need deep customization options for your workflows or highly specific reporting, Jobber might offer more flexibility. Now, for those of you running larger operations with multiple teams, complex projects, and a need for highly customizable solutions, ServiceTitan enters the arena. This is where the better than Jobber question gets serious for enterprise-level businesses. ServiceTitan is a behemoth in the field service management space, offering an incredibly comprehensive suite of tools that go far beyond basic scheduling and invoicing. We're talking advanced reporting and analytics, robust inventory management, complex pricebook creation, and integrated marketing and sales tools. Think of it as a complete business operating system for large field service companies. While Jobber is fantastic for small to medium-sized businesses, ServiceTitan provides the scalability and depth of features required for larger enterprises with intricate workflows and a high volume of jobs. The trade-off, as you might expect, is cost and complexity. ServiceTitan is significantly more expensive than Jobber and has a steeper learning curve. So, while it's undeniably more powerful, it's not a direct competitor for every business. It's better only if your business demands that level of sophistication and you have the resources to invest in it. Let's also consider Field Edge. This is another powerful contender, especially for HVAC, plumbing, and electrical businesses. Field Edge shines in its robust dispatching and scheduling features, making it incredibly efficient for managing a busy team of technicians. Its strength lies in its ability to handle complex service agreements, preventative maintenance scheduling, and detailed equipment tracking. For businesses that rely heavily on recurring revenue through service contracts, Field Edge often provides a more specialized and integrated solution than Jobber. While Jobber can certainly handle some aspects of recurring work, Field Edge's features are often more deeply integrated and tailored for this specific need. It also offers advanced accounting integrations, making it a strong choice for businesses that need seamless data flow between their field service software and their financial systems. However, like Service Titan, Field Edge generally comes with a higher price tag and a more involved implementation process than Jobber. Finally, we have Workeyes. If you're looking for a highly versatile and customizable solution that's still accessible for small to medium-sized businesses, Workeyes is worth a serious look. What makes Workeyes stand out from Jobber? Its powerful VoIP phone system and integrated call tracking are massive advantages for businesses that rely heavily on phone communication. Imagine having every customer call logged and associated with their job automatically. This level of integration can drastically improve customer service and operational efficiency. Workeyes also boasts strong dispatching features, online booking, and robust reporting. While Jobber offers excellent overall functionality, Workeyes often provides more specialized tools that directly address communication and scheduling complexities, especially for businesses with high call volumes. Its customizability also allows businesses to tailor the platform to their unique workflows more precisely than some of its competitors. So how do you choose? It really boils down to your specific needs, your budget, and the stage of your business. If you're a small business or just starting out and need an all-around solid solution, Jobber is still an excellent choice and a fantastic entry point into field service software. It's user-friendly, feature-rich enough for most, and relatively affordable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.